About the way it impacts our industry is that in every real estate contract, there's a spot to put in a percentage for tax prorations. So for real estate tax prorations. And just going back to the beginning, we pay our taxes in arrears. So this year we pay for last year's taxes. Mm-hmm. And so what's notable about that is that that percentage anticipates always a certain increase, a little bit of a bump. So generally speaking, you'll see in the suburbs 105%. And in the city, you'll see 110%. It's not necessarily the standard, but it's the more common percentages that you'll see in the contract. Well,
and in the contract, what we're actually talking about for those who are just kind of looking like, hey, I want to become a real estate investor, those are the seller setting aside a proration to the buyer so that they are equipped to pay when the tax bill comes due the following year.
Yeah, exactly. Because it's paid in arrears, yep. If we had a closing today, we would need to get a credit for the second half of 2023 mm-hmm. if we were in Cook County. Mm-hmm. For the second half of 2023, we'd need to get a credit for that because we didn't own the property for closing today during that time. The seller did, but that bill isn't out yet. Mm-hmm. So the seller has to give us a credit for that amount. Same thing, through from January 1st, 2024 through today. So when we're talking about that proration, there's a certain expectation that there's going to be a slight increase. So in the suburbs, historically, it's been 5% increase, so 105%. And in the city, it's been 110% or a 10% increase.